China EV Post reports that Tesla has reduced wait times for the Model 3 and Model Y in China to an all-time low. The Model 3 now has a wait time of 1 to 4 weeks, down from 1 to 6 weeks. The Model Y's wait time is now 1 to 3 weeks, also down from 1 to 6 weeks. Tesla's Shanghai factory, its largest globally, produces the Model 3 and Model Y with an annual capacity of over 950,000 vehicles. The Model 3 is available in 3 variants starting at $31,900. The Model Y starts at $34,900. Tesla China sold 71,007 vehicles in June, a 2.16% decrease from May. The second quarter saw 205,747 vehicles sold, down 16.77% year-on-year. Tesla's global deliveries saw a 46.34% contribution from China in Q2, the first time below 50% since Q2 2022. Tesla has also introduced a new silver paint option for the Model 3, previously exclusive to the Model Y. The silver paint will cost an additional $1,680. You are listening to Yuan News.